Liquid gold! Dionysian delight! Better still, Canadian whiskey! And deliver.
I think we should hurry.
I'll start the car.
Whiskey in the jar. Leave the headlamps off. Can't be too careful.
Right, we've been so discreet up until now.
No! Don't let that get away! Miss M can't spare a drop! Murderation! Where's that spotlight when we need it, Miss Pepper? Oh, now the spirits are afoot.
I got it.
No,
I got
that
it.
is my foot. That's not what I meant.
No, I can't see.
Ah, there it is.
Stop it.
You
Get off me, Rocky.
Ow!
Hey, just...
Excuse me?
Look like we got some live ones tonight.
Yeah, say, boy, the chase is the best part.
Let's not prolong this. This is a trifling matter. We have other business to tend to.
Yeah, but none of it near as fun as this gonna be.
Can't let the competition go unchecked. Even a little vermin. They got a way of festering. Alon!
Where'd you learn to drive like that?
I didn't!
Didn't?
Learn to drive!
Well, you're so bad at it, you've confounded the enemy. Nicely done. Get confounding! Get confounding! Now we need a performance from you, Torpedo Boy. Ah.
Oh, no.
Yes, yes, yes!
No.
Don't be modest.
I
Play us a symphony.
No! What's going on back there?
All right, what the?
I guess this one is the big.
Oh, no, stay with me!
I think I swallowed a bug.
You got a big fat bad bed for dinner? What's that?
Nah, just more glass.
Profoundly unprofessional.
Well, they got more firepower than I expected. But you want to take over driving back there?
No. Especially now that you have alleviated us of our windshield.
Oh, you don't like how we play? How about you stop spectating and throw in, Chef? Or do we have to worry about you getting sentimental about old times?